Hello, welcome to Blockbite. Today's a coding tutorial. Haven't done one in quite a while actually. So today we're going to be making just a regular website. There's nothing special to it. Just going to be making a website. So, what we're going to do is we're going to create a new folder in our File Explorer and type in website. I'm going to put tutorials at the end of it so I know. And we're going to go into Visual Studio Code or whatever you use. I use VS Code. Click File, Open Folder, and double click Website Tutorials and click Select Folder. So if I sound a bit off today, like now, a bit far away, I'm still close to the microphone. It's because I'm not. This should be better. Like this. Okay. Then we're going to create a new file and call it index.html. This is going to be the menu. Hang on, let me get my source code. Okay, I've got my source code now. Okay. Just taking it off the staple so I can stick it up and read it. Okay, so we're going to start by typing in doc. And if you don't have this function because you're not using VS Code, I recommend typing all this in really quickly. Now I'm going to type in Blockbite or whatever your name is, website, and then do the vertical line, and then type in menu. And save it, make sure you save it. Link, rel, style sheet, href, style.css, link, rel, icon, href, favicon.aco, which we'll create in a minute. h1, class title, menu, and then div class menu button class on click equals. So I just realised my music isn't on. Let's turn it on. Okay, it's on now. On click window dot location dot hof equals. You're going to type in app / about .html. And then we're going to put in a class about your name, or we could just put about button btn, and then btn separate. About capital btn, then separate, so that with a space in between btn without a capital. Then type about. Split out so it's easier to read. Okay, next one. Button on click window dot location dot hof equals app / videos dot html. Type in videos. Break that up, and I forgot to do the class, didn't I? Class videos button class podcasts and button. I'm not going to put podcast button because that's easier. And then on click window dot location dot hof podcasts dot html. Oh, I forgot the app bit. App. Split it up so it's easier to read. Oh, I haven't actually got anything in there yet. Podcasts. Then we're going to add underneath the div a section. Okay. Class side dash menu. And then we're going to have a h2 side menu. That's the end of the section because we've all our buttons, but that will change once we've done that. Now we're going to save that and we're going to add in a new file, calling that style.css. Gonna type in body, margin is 0, background, yellow. This can be whatever colour you want. That's what background one. Of course, the background colour can be anything you want. It could be an image if you want. Background repeat. No repeat. Background size. 100%. Text align. Center. Dot title. Oh, whoops. Go out of the body, do dot title to edit the class called title. Font dash size is 70 pt. Okay, so I've just done this. I've done button, which is width 100 pixels and height 50 pixels. So I forgot that I had hotkeys turned on, and I pressed the hotkey and stopped recording. So that's all that should have happened. I'll have a look at the recording and I'll put the rest in text, anything that has changed, or in the description. Okay, so this is what we have currently. Why is my style not working? Have I saved it? I have not. Let's save the styles, that would be helpful. Okay, we do have that, and I'm quite happy where they are to begin with. You can do some movement of them if you want, but I am happy where they are. Well, that might change once we do the side menu. Okay. Okay, we don't actually need to do anything with that. Side menu. Side menu. Background is going to be blue-violet. Background is going to be blue-violet. Width is going to be 100 pixels. Height is going to be 500 pixels. And then no, we're not going to. Gonna have to have a look at that, aren't we? So that's over there, so we need to do display. No, it's not right. Position. Absolute. Left 100 pixels. Right, and adjust these to your screen. And then top 50 pixels. Okay, I'm quite happy with that. If you're not happy with that, go ahead, change it, do anything you want with it. I don't mind, but we are now going to make the icon. That microphone is so near my headphones. I'm so sorry if that noise is really annoying you. It's just my headphones keep on interacting with the microphone, and that makes a big noise. Okay, so let's fix it. Let's open a new tab. image to ICO converter. And we're going to go to onlineconvert.com. I have my image pre-downloaded. No, I don't, apparently. Wait, give me a minute. Okay, so now it's downloaded. Let's upload a file. Download. That one. And it will just convert your image to an icon. And then let's go back over here into our file explorer, and then it'll be my downloads, and I'm gonna cut it from there, paste it into our folder, call it favicon instead of logo block, right? And let's go onto our menu and reload. As you can see up in the top there, we have our icon now. So, if you click these, it should go nowhere because we haven't coded it to go anywhere yet. But overall, my recording should be 19 minutes, but seeing as I had some problems, that won't be the case. It'll be like 15 minutes. Oh well, that's fine anyway for a coding tutorial. So, as you guys know, there will be a bit of a schedule change. Okay, I'll just turn all my music off. There will be a bit of a schedule change. Saturdays will be coding tutorial from now on until I say otherwise. And then MadLab will not be forgotten about. It's not being quit, it's just being put to one side for a while because I do not have the laptop GPU space and everything, GPU capability to record and play Minecraft at the same time. So either I'm gonna have to do something about that, like record my Switch or something, or I'm just going to have to buy a new laptop, which I'm saving up to do. So Saturday's coding tutorial, and didn't realise that, sorry. Saturday coding tutorial, and Wednesdays will be either a Bible study or a podcast. Okay, thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.